Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify recovery phrase safety using BitBox02. Begin by ensuring you have your BitBox02 hardware wallet ready for the process. Connect your BitBox02 to your computer using the provided USB cable. Open the BitBox app on your computer. If you haven't already, log into your BitBox02 wallet with your secure PIN code. Select the option for recovery from the main menu on the app. You will see an option to verify recovery phrase. Click on this option to initiate the verification process. The app will prompt you to enter your recovery phrase. Carefully input each word of your recovery phrase in the exact order you recorded it. After entering each word, click the Next button to proceed. The BitBox02 will then check each word against the original recovery phrase stored on the device. If all words match, a confirmation message will appear indicating your recovery phrase is valid. If there is a mismatch, you will receive an error message. In the case of a mismatch, double-check the spelling and order of the words you entered. Once you have successfully verified your recovery phrase, click on Finish to complete the process. Remember to keep your recovery phrase secure and private at all times. Disconnect your BitBox02 from the computer only after finishing the verification. Your recovery phrase is now verified and safe to use for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.